Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add channels to YouTube Kids. So if you have kids and your kids love to watch a YouTube app, you can download YouTube Kid first. So there is a restriction, so you as a parent can control what your kids watch. So you can search on Play Store or App Store the YouTube Kids. Here we go. You can install YouTube Kids and sign in with your account, your parents' account, so your primary account. So after that, if you want to share a channel in YouTube Kids, for example, you can try to search a channel that you want to share. For example, the Animal Planet. So your kids can watch a animal documentary. So in order to share with your kids, you can tap three dots beside the name of the channel. Here you can tap share, and if you scroll down you can tap with kids. Now this video will be available in YouTube Kids, and of course you have to check out your YouTube Kids profile in order to watch the channel that you already shared. Let's try once more. If you want to share your favorite YouTube channel that kids can also watch it, you can share onto YouTube Kids app, but you have to install the YouTube Kids app first on your device. So you can search your favorite channel, for example a kids cartoon, this one like Coco Melon, and some a Tom and Jerry. But if you have a preschool kids, you can try to share the Square Wheels TV, for example. You can tap three dot beside the name of the channel. You can scroll down and try to search share. Here you can scroll down again and share with your kids. You can tap it. Now this video will be available in YouTube Kids, so you have to check out your YouTube Kids channel in order to watch this video. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.